What's up, guys? This is Shellcat here for another Pokemon video. Right now where I am, it's hailing, so I'm hoping I can catch... Ooh, it's hailing and raining at the same time, and I hope I can catch some good, really cool Pokemon. So, let's see what we got here. Dang, it took forever for it to load. You hear that? It's hailing, and it's also raining. And it's daylight right now. Oh god, it's so bright. It's like, whoa, this is so weird. Whoa. It's so cool. Ooh, this is getting harder. Oh, it's just raining now. There's hail. There was hail. Now it's heavy rain. Ugh. This is so weird. It's raining, but it's like at the same time sunny. Ah. Alright, so I'm gonna have to keep. You guys might not be able to hear me that well because, well, it's raining, like I said. I'm waddling away. It looks so cool, guys. It is like a really cool Wii experience. It's darker over here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh my goodness. I got... Wow. Nah, it's raining. What you talking about partially cloudy? It's raining. Wait, but if someone beats your Pokemon in a gym, you could have gems or coins. This opens up a whole new realm. A possibility. Alright. Woof. Woof, woof. This rain's going down pretty hard. So, I changed my avatar. And I know I already said this, but it's raining. It was hailing earlier, but I guess... Huh. Yeah, it's weird right now. Yeah, it's weird. It's like partially cloudy, it's sunny, it's raining. I want Pokemon. I want good Pokemon. So let's see if we can get any good Pokemon. I'm under a tree right now for protection. Ooey. Alright. Alright. Okay, let's see if there's any more of this. You guys, I'm trying to get into a building, but it's locked. Go. Whoa. Does that do anything? I wonder what I should buy. Can I even buy anything? Well, I could buy an outfit, which actually I'm gonna do that. Let's see here. Nope. This me style. I can't buy anything. I have this Pokemon. Huh. But I do not have it yet. Alright. I'm almost done with this Pokemon. It's sprinkling now. It first went from hail to rain, hail, rain, and then it went to... Of course, whenever I'm in the rain, it starts to get heavier. Just has to be me. Alright, guys. Let's see. I want to try and get the flying. Oh, 9 candies and 25. Whoa, it's so spooky. Of course, it gets harder for me to walk in whenever I'm trying to go back. Alright, hold on, let me get set up. You know what, whatever. Nah. Alright. I don't have you yet. What? Brr. Alright. Alrighty. Righty. I'm currently walking in the rain, dancing in the rain. Except I'm not dancing. Gimme. Free. Gotcha. Let's see here. What? Oh, shit. What did that give me? Oh. that concludes this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye-bye.